Welcome back to Nifty Network. We have a 350Z here today, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your window regulator. So I will talk as I go. So there's a little plastic circle in here on the window switch. Pop that off. You're going to get a Phillips head. Undo that. And then we're going to pop the window switch up. I always just feed it in right there. Pop that up and out. Unplug the window switches. And while we still have our flathead in our hand, I'll reach up here and I will pop that beauty cover off for the handle. And then we can grab our 10 mil on an extension. And you got 3 10s to take off. And 1, 2, 3. And then we'll reach under here to that opening. Give that a pry. Off in the back, off in the front. Undo the window actuator, or the door lock actuator. Get that out of your way. Then we're going to go to our window. And on the other side, I had stated something about there being stickers everywhere that weren't on there. This one has a few of them. It doesn't have all of them. I don't know why there's just 2 missing, but so this one needs to be open. This one needs to be open. And if you just put pressure on it and pry, you can actually save the sticker. So you can do that and pry against it, and it pops off easy. Get your 10, undo that. I would be more careful about dropping those bolts in there if I didn't think I was going to be taking the regulator off, but since I'm showing you how to do everything, that's kind of why I'm just letting it drop in there. And I'm not putting it back together. So once you have those 3 undone, just lift up on the window, windows out. Alright, then we're going to work on the regulator right here. Undo that plug, just like how we normally do. We're going to pop this clip off. Get that out of the way. And then just go around town. What size? This is a 10 millimeter. Sorry if you didn't hear me. Alright, now that all that is off, you're going to get your flathead or your pry tool, whatever you like better. Start by those pins up top. Put your hand in there. Walk that around, slide it down, slide it out. Regulator's out. That is how you remove a window regulator with the motor and the track on a 350Z.